Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chubby Max Ventures once again. Today we'll be learning how to sew. But before we start sewing, we must know some basic things. And one of the main thing we need is a machine. And you can buy a small machine to start with when you want to sew. But before you can sew, the first thing you need to do is to oil your machine, and you can get all these from those that sell sewing material. You need your needle, you need your thread, you need every part in the machine. But one of the things I'll be teaching today is how to put your thread on the reeler. And how do you do this? If you don't have um, what is attached to your machine, there is always one thin rod attached to the machine, but most times it's always not available. So I would advise that you can take something like this or any thin material to be able to put the thread on the rim and the reamer. And how do you do this? You start moving the machine with your leg. Let it start here. Then you use like this. You would have attached some part of the thread to the ring. Then you put it close to the machine. And what do? You make sure it's in position. Then you start to braid. You can't do it that way, so that you continue this, you will have thread. This is what you have at the end of the day. You fix it in, then you pass it through your the point. Then the next thing you do, you pass the thread, you turn it twice, you take it to this upper layer, you let it go up, you pass it through this, you keep moving it, you pass it through this layer. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Then you bring this down, and finally you pass the thread through the middle, and this will go through the tiny hole. Then you move your machine again and this comes out. At this point, you are ready to start sewing. Thank you.